What is up, YouTube? Back with another video with another trade recap. Today we are up $350 on all 10 accounts. We made it to the first mid milestone. We're up a band on all the accounts except for that one. But yeah, we're up around 1,000 on all the accounts. So let's get into it. I technically took 3 trades, but one main trade today. I had this break even here, the main trade, and this small for 1 micro mini trade there. So yeah, let's get it. Let me mark out the short really quick. Boom. Yup. Boom. Alright. So coming into the day, we had both highs and lows. So we had boom, these lows, boom, these lows, and lower lows as well. So we start off the day, huge 100 handle candle taking out a low already. And then we also take out this third low right here, and then a lot lower we have these larger time frames, like from months ago lows over there. So boom, we're short off rip, and we're providing a lot of, we're showing a lot of strength to the downside, and we're also showing a lot of volatility. Boom. I wanted to enter in on this candle, but this candle was too big for me. 45 handles. If I get a, because one of my rules is I have to get in on the candle close, not in between the candle, because so many times I've gone in on a candle going down and the candle ends up closing up, and those are the worst types of trades to be in. So even if I wanted to put a stop like up here, it's like 57 handles, way too big. But if this was cut in half and it closed like right where the wick was, I would have for sure gone in. But not everything's perfect. And then I saw this, and so many times I've seen a big displacement candle, one candle where a lot of orders are being filled, and then boom, a huge displacement candle. So you guys want to say, oh, your rule is to get in on the close. Well, the candle literally opened right here, and I got in. Like, I got in on the open, and it literally opened, and my position was there. One of the main reasons why I didn't like my position being there was because this is a low right here. So if we wicked this low and started going up, it would have been instantly a stop out. But just having, first of all, opening the day with 100 handle candle just shows a lot of strength to the downside, and we continue showing volatility. So boom, I get in with 5 micros, and once this closes, once that closed, and the next candle before it wicked up, it wicked down first, or went down first. So I had put my stop right there, basically at the close of the candle. But if the next one ran more, I would have kind of done like a trail stop. But ended up coming and stopping me right there, which I'm not mad about at all. And then also after, it just kind of started doing a whole lot of nothing, which I'm very happy about. So yeah, that was pretty much it. Pretty quick, easy day. yeah, pretty quick, easy day. Also, the candle I got in ended up being the first 5 minute candle, in which we then inversed, came down, and we popped up into. I mean, I see these moves like almost every single day on how like we come, sweep out a lot of lows, show some strength to the upside, boom, manipulate, come sweep out this last low, and boom, we're headed higher. Like if I got in on that candle, my stop would have been 27, and I could have, you know, took it at 78 or 143, even higher over here. But I'm not complaining. I'm not greedy. But yeah, that was basically my execution. I kind of had the same idea right here, but I got stopped out break even, and then this one finally, um, I got it. And then this one was that long I wanted to try, but only with one, you know, because I was already up in the day. I don't want to risk losing like crazy money just in case, and you know it's a good thing I did. Um, and yeah, I mean it was a pretty good quick day. Usually I don't trade with five, but today just had the volatility and the clear direction of where I wanted to go to the liquidity. I just had to kind of take advantage of that. So yeah, today it wasn't really any news. Tuesday, not really any news as well. Wednesday we finally have some, you know, red folders, some 5:30 news. Finally some, you know, some news driving price. Thursday nothing, and Friday we do have a lot of news. You know, we have two orange folders, two red folders, and then the Fed chair talking on Friday. So that should be a pretty. I don't know if I'm gonna trade that day, but it's gonna be a pretty volatile day. Um, so yeah, honestly, if I have another pretty good profitable day this week, like 300 plus, I might call it early on the week and not risk anything more. Um, but yeah, definitely gonna be up to it Tuesday tomorrow, and we'll see how that goes. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Just gonna stay patient tomorrow. You know, we're up on the week. We don't have to force anything. Accounts are healthy, drawdowns healthy. We're in a good position. We don't have to force. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys in the next trade recap. Peace.